Prove that 4m by 3 minus 3n by 4 whole square plus 2mn is equal to 16 by 9m square plus 9 by 16n square. LHS or HS, right hand side, left hand side. Answer, take here first left hand side. Left hand side equal to 4m by 3 minus 3n by 4 whole square plus 2mn. Now here use this formula, a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab is the formula. Therefore this is equal to, here a value is 4m by 3 and b is 3n by 4. Now here a square 4m by 3 whole square plus b square, b is 3n by 4, 3n by 4 whole square minus 2a, a is 4m by 3 into b, b is 3n by 4 plus 2mn as it is. Now 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, m square plus 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, n square minus, here 3 gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled, minus 2mn plus 2mn as it is. Minus 2mn plus 2mn gets cancelled here. Therefore this equal to 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square. This equal to RHS.